And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can buy a gig on Fiverr. This is going to be a step-by-step video. I'm also going to show you guys some tips or how you can avoid like sellers who are not going to deliver the work in time, or they are going to like deliver low quality work to you. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do this. Now, first time I'm going to switch this account to buying account, and I'm going to show you guys how you can buy a gig on Fiverr. It's very simple, just like you are buying something from Amazon. It's basically like something like it's basically the same. So as you can see, guys, you will find here on Fiverr a lot of gigs. Each gig is different. For example, this one I will create an original soundtrack film, like score. I will create a stunning 3D models. There are a lot of gigs here. Now you just need to search here which gig you want. For example, here you can find graphic design, programming and tech, digital marketing, video animations, writing and translation, music and audio, business, finance, AI services. Like they have added this like feature recently, like AI services, as you can see. Like you know, guys, Fiverr, like to stand out or to stay in the business, they have to like you know, grow. Okay, they have to change their strategies so that they can like satisfy customers, because you know this AI technology now is taking over the like it's taking over, like everyone is talking about AI. So that's why they have added this feature here on Fiverr, where you can like hire someone to create AI video art, for example, or something like that. Here it says what services are you looking to buy now or to buy today. You can search for it specifically. You can search for specifically what you want to buy, or you can use these sections here. It says writing and translation. You can search here for what you want to. For example, programming and tech, you can just select here business websites. You want to create a business website. AI chatbot, like for example Shopify, you want someone to create a Shopify store for you. If you move this to video and animation, you can hire someone to edit a video for you. That's what you need to do, guys. So I'm going to, for example, I'm going to move this to program and tech. I'm going to select here Shopify. As you can see, after you select here the what you want exactly to purchase or what gig you want, as you can see, I will create a Shopify professional, like I will create a Shopify professional store designed from scratch. I will create one product Shopify dropshipping store or Shopify website. Our agency will, as you can see, there are a lot of gigs here. After you choose the gig, you just need to click on it, okay? So after, guys, you click on the gig, you better like contact the seller and see if they are like ready to do your work. Just explain to them exactly what you want them to do, and if they say yes, then you can purchase the gig. Okay, here you will find the basic and the standard, the premium. Like the more you can choose, like if you select like standard or premium, the price is going to be a bit expensive, as you can see, $390, but also the work is going to be high quality and it's going to take them a long time. Okay, so here, if you select the basic, you only pay like $190 depending on the gig. Like I said, you just need to select here which gig you want. But I always suggest you guys, after you find the gig you want, and after you find here if it's good for you, like the basic or standard is good for you, just click on contact me and click on ask a question. And after, guys, you click on ask a question, then you want to add here, you want to ask the question here, as you can see. Hi, will you will you be able to create a one Shopify, like would you be able to create one will you to create two Shopify stores, for example, two Shopify stores. One is one product store, and second is general store where I can sell anything. So something like this. Okay, just explain to them exactly what you want them to do, and then click on send a message, and then they will like reply to you within an hour. Here you will find usually response within an hour. As you can see, an email will be sent once the reply. Okay, click on got it. You can also click on view message to see all the messages here. Here you will find all the like messages here. So that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. It's very simple. Now after you find the order, just click on continue. Okay, and here you can pay the money. Here, as you can see, we'll build an automated dropshipping Shopify store, Shopify website. As you can see, this is how long it's going to take. You can also use the, like, you can also add some extras here. For example, you can extra fast 3-day delivery. You can select it and it's going to charge you $55. And yeah, if you don't want that, click on continue. Continue, and here you will, as you can see, and here you can pay using PayPal. I always pay using PayPal. You can also click on add more payment method. You can pay using your credit card or debit cards or whatever. After you are finished, click on confirm and pay, and that's it. After, guys, you click on confirm and pay, then like seller will ask you exactly what you want them to do for you. Okay, and then they will do that, and then they will deliver to work. You can just keep contacting, keep talking to the customer. Now don't worry if you think this is a scam or anything like that. If this is something you don't like, they will try to like they will try to help you, but make sure before you buy the gig, make sure the feedback are 5%, like 4.9%, it's good. 4.7%, it's also good, but anything below 4, don't even waste your time. Okay, don't purchase anything below 4 stars. Now this one has, as you can see, has 4.9%. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can buy. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.